Do you want to get rich? You need 72 hours income generator program. Are you an affiliate who desperately wants to get profit? You need 72 hours income generator program. It's time to put an end to wasting money and time and start profiting using the power of Expertnaire's 72 hours income generator program. Have you wasted thousands of naira on affiliate marketing products? Or are you sick of being broke? 72 hours income generator program is the solution you need. 72 hours income generator program review and bonus, no holds barred review exposes the truth about how to profit instantly and start making money online, even from the comfort of your home in Nigeria. Before you buy another ebook or affiliate marketing system, you need 72 hours income generator program. Here's why. Presenting 72 hours income generator program, the formula for profit in super rapid time, and from just a few top secret getting rich techniques that the other affiliate guys won't tell you about. Of course, most affiliate marketing guides are no help. You need an edge if you plan on getting real results, and that is where the unique 72 hours income generator program package comes in. 72 hours income generator program is all you need to profit. So chuck the useless info you already have and start getting rich, no matter what your skill level is. Have you tried getting rich, but it goes wrong again? If you're feeling locked out of the affiliate marketing game because you don't have hours to spare trying to overcome wasting money and time, can't face any more being broke when all you want is profit, don't have money to burn on another dead end, guaranteed getting rich ebook, then I have some incredible news for you. I've discovered a step-by-step guide to profit today using this brand new affiliate marketing tool, 72 hours income generator program. Join with me if you have ever wished you could finally profit like the affiliate 1%ers. Wasted thousands of naira on affiliate marketing expert books and seminars that simply don't deliver. Felt that there is something that some affiliates know about affiliate marketing that you don't, wondered whether you are ever going to get anywhere with this whole affiliate marketing thing. Believe me, I know how you feel. I was once the same. You see, it got to a point where I was sick of being one of the guys who knew he should profit but just couldn't get it working. So I decided to take a stand. I bought dozens of books and signed up to every expert affiliate marketing seminar out there. I spent hundreds of hours on affiliate marketing article sites and forums, scouring for tips and tricks, and eventually I started to understand the whole affiliate marketing picture. With this understanding came the realization that if I were to succeed, I needed to uncover a product like 72 hours income generator program, a new set of rules that no one else knew about, and that I could use to consistently profit. That was 6 months ago. Now I can safely say the days of being broke are a thing of the past. It took me months, but eventually it clicked, and I discovered 72 hours income generator program, the blueprint to profit, not the usual crap you hear, and not the usual techniques you read about. Remember, if you follow the crowd you will just end up with being broke. Are you an affiliate or you just want to make money online in Nigeria? Trust me when I say this will change the way you look at affiliate marketing forever. You need someone who has been there and done that. Someone who bought over 200,000 naira of affiliate marketing guides, attended the expensive seminars, bought the expensive upsell packages, and still wasn't satisfied. Someone who had to come up with his own spin on things, who had to make it all work, despite the limited info out there. Someone who has bled, someone who has learned the hard way, and still come out on top. In short, you need 72 hours income generator program, because it is the only affiliate marketing guide that tells it like it is. And the only program that guarantees profit or your money back. It is that simple. In fact, if you plan on getting profit in 2020 and beyond, you barely have a choice. To get profit you need 72 hours income generator program. And it's so new and different to properly profit. You need a willingness to break away from the current affiliate marketing methods you are using, and you need to embark on a new path that leads away from wasting money and time and towards getting rich. But there are a few things you don't need. You don't need to know a thing about affiliate marketing to profit from this, because the system is designed so that even a 12-year-old can use it. And because 72 hours income generator program methods run counter to the mainstream methods the affiliate marketing gurus are teaching, the newer you are to the game, the better you're likely to do. You don't need to have success with getting rich before. In fact, the 72 hours income generator program system will get you profit quickly and easily, without you having to learn a single thing about making money online and working from home or any of those usual headaches. You can get started within 3 days. The 72 hours income generator program methods work for anyone, and because you're going to be walked through by the hand, there's no excuse not to profit. You can profit part-time, in only a few minutes each day. Once you're up to speed, the entire process will take as little as 20 minutes per day. I like to profit and live my life, and I always tell my friends to do the same. It's your life, and with being broke as a non-issue, you can finally live it. Now if you're anything like me or any of my affiliate buddies, I'm sure you get bombarded with e-books, software and live seminars from affiliate marketing gurus. All of them offering you their latest must-have rehashed and outdated guaranteed profit programs all the time. I also know from experience that you're probably curious about a lot of these systems, but you don't want to waste your money on expensive failures. Perhaps you've been burned too many times and are sick of broken promises? I know only too well how much it hurts when you follow a proven system or can't fail affiliate marketing method that doesn't get you the profit you desire. Let me ask you, how familiar is this? When you first see a new ebook or program, you get a sudden rush of excitement and expectation. You are more than happy to hand over your money to the vendor and you desperately hope this one will be different. Then you try to get rich, but it goes wrong again. Suddenly, the system is not quite as simple as they first made out, or the techniques don't work quite as the track record claimed. You get stuck on a problem using the system and the guru fails to answer your queries or concerns. Then you experience more being broke and wasted money and time. Now, you don't know where to turn, or what to do, and you end up nursing yet more frustration. All you want is something that works. You have spent thousands and thousands of naira already on affiliate marketing products. And by the end of this year you'll probably have wasted another couple of thousands naira on useless ebooks. And you already know that you probably won't get the results you need. So what is the solution? Well, that's where 72 hours income generator program comes in. I know you want access to the same advanced affiliate marketing method that the elite affiliates use. And I know you have the best chance to profit with the software and training inside 72 hours income generator program, but we want to ensure you are fully protected, which is why you have a full 120 days to test drive our system and see why 72 hours income generator program is what everyone interested in getting rich is talking about today. Examine the 72 hours income generator program in your home for 120 days, watch the training videos, use the powerful software in it, do whatever it takes to convince yourself that it is possible to profit in just a few days, and finally enjoy the getting rich you've always wanted. If for any reason whatsoever, you are not completely convinced and delighted, just let me know and you will be fully refunded. That's how certain I am that you are going to love 72 hours income generator program and make it work for you. This opportunity that is bound to change affiliate lives, so make a decision now. Order 72 hours income generator program now, 100% risk-free by clicking on the link below.